Assalamualaikum. Good morning, my dear students. I'm happy that all of you are good today. Amin. So, our third lesson today is science. And then we have done last meeting. Last meeting we talk about protecting our body. So, Miss Alice is going to review first. When you get hurt, look at this picture, honey. Alcohol and cotton. You need alcohol and cotton to protect and to clean your wound. If you fall off your bicycle, you fall and then you get hurt, you need your mom to put or apply alcohol and cotton on your wound. Wound in bahasa Indonesia luka, ya. So to clean your wound. And then we also have mosquito spray to avoid the mosquito bites. We have done last week, we talked about mosquito repellent like Autan, Saripuspa, Sovel, Didi, ya. There are products to avoid mosquito bites, ya. And then you also need soap. Soap to clean your hands, to clean your body when you take a bath, and then when you have to wash your hands every day, you have to use soap to make your body and your hands clean. Okay, and then you also have to protect sunglasses to protect your, you have this one on your face, you have these ones, there are two on your face, they are sunglasses to protect your, yes, eyes. Okay, and then this one, face mask. If you go out with your family, go to the shop to buy the food or the vegetable, so you have to wear the face mask, right? In English, face mask. So it prevents you from the coronavirus or another disease. Then we go to toothbrush. This is toothpaste and this is toothbrush. They are protecting our, you use them to clean our gigi, miss. Yes, gigi. What is gigi in English? Tooth or teeth, yeah. You can use toothbrush and toothpaste to protect your teeth. You brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and at night before you sleep, yeah. So we continue. Open, everybody, take your student book, page 14. So be ready, yeah. 14 and 15. So we go to the next page. The first is protecting our eyes. So you can see from the first picture, it's not good. Why? When you read, you cannot do like this. You may not lay on the bed. You may not you may not lay like this on the bed or on the sofa. You must sit up straight, ya. Sit up straight. Meaning sit up straight, berduduknya tegak. Duduk yang tegak, ya. So it's wrong, ya. That's why Miss Alice cross this picture, ya. And then number 2, you have to protect your, when you swim, you have to wear your goggles. Goggles. Miss Alice, what are goggles in bahasa? This is kacamata renang, ya. So you have to wear goggles to protect your eyes. And then number 3, when your eyes are itchy. Itchy apa sih, Miss Alice? Gatal. When your eyes are itchy, so don't use your fingers. Your fingers are dirty, so it can have many germs or others. So it's better you use wet tissue to wipe your eyes. Yeah, use wet tissue to wipe your eyes. And then, is it good posture to read or to type in front of computer? No, you may not do like this. It must be straight. So sit up straight. Yeah, sit up straight. Okay, the next. After that, we have protecting our ears. To protect our ears, if your ears are itchy gatal, use cotton bud and baby oil. Ask your mom to do that, ya. Don't do it by yourself. And then use warm water and wash clothes. Warm water, gunakan air hangat dan kain untuk to wipe your ears, untuk membersihkan, mengelap telinga, ya. And then when you hear a loud noise, cover your ears with your hands. Telinganya ditutup pakai tangan kalian. So you have to protect your ears from the noise. If there is someone is drilling, if there is a building construction, ada pembangunan rumah, gedung, it's noisy, berisik. So you can cover your ears using your hands. Okay. The next is, and after that you go away from that place ya, menjauh. And then if dirty water gets into your ears, telinganya kemasukan air, gimana Miss Alice? Tip your head, miringkan kepalanya, and pull gently your earlobe. Daun telinganya ditarik. Miringkan kepalanya, daun telinganya ditarik. Misalnya, waternya, airnya, get into your ears yang sebelah kiri. Kepalanya diberingkan ke kiri, gitu. Ditarik, you have to pull gently your earlobe. Ditarik nih telinganya ke kiri. So the water can flow from your ear. Nanti airnya keluar, mengalir, ya. Gitu. Jadi kalau telinganya, if the water get into your ears, right ear, ke telinga sebelah kanan, tip your head, miringkan kepalanya yang kanan, ya. And then pull gently your earlobe. Terus nanti ditarik daun telinganya yang sebelah kanan, biar airnya mengalir. So the water can flow. The next is, after protecting ears, we have protecting our nose. You may not put anything into your nose, ya. Miss, ada lidi, Miss. I want to put this one into my nose. No, it's forbidden. Tidak boleh. Ya. Don't smell poisonous liquid. Miss Alice, poisonous liquid, what are these? Baygon, example. Don't play that liquid. Pembersih lantai. Seperti, what is it? Porsteak. Nah, they are dangerous, poisonous liquid. You may not play those ones, ya. Don't smell those ones, okay? Like glue, ibon, glue, lem ibon, dan lain. You may not do that. Don't smell, ya. You can smell the food, candy, cake, and other flowers, perfume, but not many things, ya. You have to ask your moms. And then, if you want to sneeze, kalau bersin, you want to wipe your nose, use tissue. Pakai tisu, ya. Use tissue to wipe your nose. And then, don't use your finger to cover your nose. Your fingers are dirty, kotor tangannya. So, don't touch your nose using your fingers. Don't put your fingers into your nose. Jangan dimasukkan tangan jarinya itu ke hidung, ya. The next, after nose, you also have this one. Teeth. To take care, carrying your teeth. Don't eat snacks too much, yeah. It's not good. And then you have to brush your teeth every day, twice a day. And then don't eat sweets, chocolates, ice too much. They are not good. That's why Miss Alice crossed the pictures. And then this one, they are good. I checklist the pictures. Eat nutritious food. Okay. So there are these two, brush teeth and eat nutritious food, can care your teeth. They are good for your teeth. Eating snacks too much and eating chocolate, ice cream, they are not good. They are bad for your teeth. We continue. After the teeth, we have your skin. Nah, to protect your skin. Okay. Protect your skin. Example. Look at your student book. This is page. Protect your skin page on your book. This is 19. Page 19. So we can see there are 3 pictures. Sorry, the screen is not is small enough, so you cannot see the full pictures. The first, there is a boy. He is looking at the TV, and then he hasn't taken a bath, so he is dirty after he is playing. And number 2, the girl is sunbathing, but she doesn't wear sunblock and lotion to protect her skin. And then the girl is crying because she hurts. What do they need? For the boys, because he is dirty after he is playing, of course he needs to take a shower or to take a bath and clothes. Yeah, take a bath and clothes. This one, take a bath and new clothes. And then this girl, of course, she needs something to protect her skin. Her skin becomes dark. So, she needs number 2, sunblock and lotion. Yeah, number 4. The last, because she is hurt, she needs alcohol and then bandage. Alcohol and bandage, yeah. Alcohol and bandage here. Okay, and then the last. Okay, this is our last lesson. Taking care of yourself. The last, this is how you take good care of your body. Brushing your teeth. Take a bath twice a day. When do you brush your teeth? In the morning and night. When do you take a bath? In the morning and in the afternoon. Yeah, in the afternoon before maghrib usually. But in Western, they take a bath in the evening. Kalau orang Barat, mereka mandinya malam-malam. In the morning and in the evening. So, they don't take a bath in the afternoon. But we are taking a bath in the afternoon before maghrib. And so, this is our lesson today. We must protect every part of our body. Melindungi ya, melindungi bagian tubuh. Kita harus melindungi bagian tubuh. Number 2, we must prevent, mencegah these parts from being dirty. Jangan sampai kotor ya. And then we need to keep our body clean. Kita harus jaga badan kita agar tetap bersih ya. Okay. That's all for my presentation, my lesson today. Thank you very much. I'm sorry that I'm late for giving this video. Stay healthy, stay safe. Don't forget to always wash your hands. Stay active, stay energetic. I love you all. See you and thank you.